In this video, I will solve another problem in oxidation reduction. We have H2 hydrogen gas with N2 nitrogen gas giving the NH3 the ammonia. We will find where is the oxidation and where is the reduction, and we will write half equations and overall reaction. Okay, the first step is knowing the oxidation state of each element. As we said before, any element which is in its free shape, free element, so it will have the oxidation state of 0. So H2 here 0, N2 is 0. In the compound N, in a group 5, so it will have the oxidation state of -3, and each hydrogen will have the oxidation state of +1. Now, the second step is comparing the oxidation states of the elements, of each element. H2, 0 to +1, from 0 to +1, so oxidation. Increase in the oxidation state. For the nitrogen, from 0 to -3, decrease in the oxidation state, so it is reduction. Let's write the half equations. Start with whatever. Let's start with H2. H2 it became H plus. I will not care about these numbers, okay? These numbers are the number of atoms of hydrogen inside the ammonia, okay? When I do these half reactions, I just do them for one atom, if it's atomic. If it's diatomic molecule, so I will do it for two atoms, so H2 and 2H plus. Okay, as we said before, this is oxidation. Oxidation is losing of electrons. So H2, 2H plus 2 electrons. So always the losing of electrons will show up the electrons here. For the reaction, N2 to N -3. Diatomic molecule, so we'll have here 2 nitrogens. Okay, each nitrogen having 0 and here -3, 0 to -3. So for each nitrogen, there is a gaining of 3 electrons. For 2 nitrogen, there is a gaining of 6 electrons. So N2 plus 6 electrons will give 2 and -3. Okay, now if we want to add these two equations, you can see that the number of electrons is not even. Here we have 2 electrons and here we have 6 electrons. The best way to make them even is to multiply this by 3. So the number of electrons will be 6. So by multiplying this by 3, you will have 3H2, 6H plus 6 electrons. The second one, I will keep it the same. N2 plus 6 electrons, 6 and -3. You can now just omit the electrons together, make a summation for each of these, equations. Why did I write here 6? It's 2. So 3H2 plus N2, 6H plus 2 and -3. This is the overall reaction. Okay, again, 0, oxidation state is 0. Oxidation state is 0. So the whole oxidation state here, or the whole charge here, is 0. the charge is 0. Okay, 6 plus and 6 minus. Minus 3 multiplied by 2, so 6 minus. 6 plus and 6 minus, so it's also 0. They have to be equal.